I left this teaching here just 20 minutes. See you. Are you crazy? Who ate my teaching among you guys? Want to speak in English? Can't you speak in English?
I want to start it with the word now. I see the thing. I see the thing. I have the thing.
SIDI, what happened to my teaching? Are you now deaf now? I said, what happened to the teaching?
I want to read the word. I do that. I said this is for our father. You don't go there. You not carry the teaching. You carry the stomach.
SIDI, you can't talk now, Abi. Speak in English. Can't you talk?
No, no, first talk. C'est beau. English, no, my first talk.
Okay, I'm hearing you. Go on English, please.
And the queen came the joy you gave me. Wherever you go, wherever you be.
Are you mad?
Wherever you visit, you know say yes.
Will you keep quiet and answer me? Who take my teaching?
No, TAWA. He said, he called people and asked you what he told me. He said, he buy a call, he not talk. He want to I want to. I do it. Yeah, I tell her. I did it. She carried it. You know the what they carry the ginger. Who carried the ginger? Why? I want to start having. My name is SIDI Katu. You don't resist. So look at one belly. When you start like a way, me first of all,
Okay, wait. Don't talk. Just say I'm the one that ate the teaching. If you are the one who took the teaching.
Uncle, I insist in me. The way you come.
Bójẹ́ Yorùbá mo ní kẹ́ máa sọ báyìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa fi òwe sọ̀rọ̀ dẹ́ máa pèrè gèdè inú ilé. Kọ́mọ́ pẹ́ sọ pé ẹni báyìí ló jẹ ṣíṣìn báyìí orí burúkú lẹ̀ ṣe. Ó yá ẹ dìde.
Èmi mo jẹ́ òun ló jẹ́. Orí burúkú dànù ìwọ pé kìí ṣèwọ lọ jẹun lórí ibú orí wọ́n ṣe rí.
Tẹ́tí kó sì kúrò wájú mi.
Wọ́n ní wọ́n lọ. Ìfẹ́ tó báyìí ló gbà. Kọjá wọ́n ní wọ́n lọ.
Wà ní kẹ́ kó sì kúrò wájú mi méjèèjì.
Ní sáà máa ń gbé tí tó kú lọ ni.